All right, welcome back. Welcome back. How are we all doing? This is going to be a quick reaction video. I just want to bring this to your notice. The corruption in Nigerian army today is second to none, and many soldiers that are from southern parts, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Bini, uh, depending on where they come from, but from southern parts, they are the one now crying for help, complaining about the corruption, the level of corruption in the whole system. So today we are going to listen to one of them, a man from this soldier is from Edo State. From time to time, we do bring his video here. The reason is because his resilience and determination to face the corruption is second to none. I mean, is admirable, although he's fighting the wrong fight. If you ask me, this is my opinion, but I'm not here to convert or teach anybody anything. But those who have ear, we hear. Those who want to hear, we hear. Those who don't want, you can't force them. But before you go through that, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your take. Very, very important. The guy, he's fearless. That's not a fact, and I admire him for that. Now listen.
If I lost today, if anything happened to me today, those people you see for my screen, so make them hold them responsible. Now they lost me. I don't they see their message from right and left. They say those message when they do so, now go help the nation. They say what that they do so, now go stop me. It can never stop me. Major General Hillary is I serve for a self-command garrison. You meet me for that barracks. All of now they meet me for that barracks. All the whole general when they serve for that barracks, they are criminals. Now soldier benefit they take the chop. Now soldier benefit they take they feed their wife and children for house. So I apply for a voluntary discharge. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You now not acknowledge. The garrison commander for a self-command. I go soon send you message. Because if soldier come outside for social media, una go say why he not tender and whether he don't complain. Soldier don't get any other means to complain now than social media. Because why? No case when soldier they carry come on a table one and they solve. Una go leave the soldier because why? The problem of the soldier is not concerned una. So I apply for voluntary discharge 26th of June 2024. Go 3 months, 4 months. October, when I collect pass, go for my father burial. Una no acknowledge. I see una right and say disaster. It disaster. What do you mean by disaster soldier? See, now so una they use the turn soldiers upside down for the people to say and waiting that soldier do. He did bad. Now so one Captain Bello Mohammed 218, he give soldier pass. He give 5 soldier pass. May they go for pass. As they go for pass, attack enter the location. When time come reach, he carry those soldiers put for missing in action. Whereas the captain now he give them pass. Now I know which one are they capable of. He can't reach my case now. Then after I don't collect pass, I don't write voluntary retirement. Una no agree acknowledge jam. Then I don't call everybody, they call everybody out now. Then una come right and say, I blow a woo. I desert from I abandon duty location. That duty location, una go talk on. The receipt of my pass is there with me, my evidence there with me. Una give me pass. I see say 3 months, una no acknowledge to my own voluntary retirement. I decided to go. Then I started calling you people out.
When a soldier decided to go through voluntary retirement at his age, it should concern you. And this goes to some of our youth that are still looking for how to get themselves registered in army and all that. Who are you? Who do you want to intimidate? Because some of you want to join army just to intimidate your neighbor, nothing more. Not that you're so pleased with the way Nigerian army conduct themselves so far. I remember when we are growing up, army is one of the, they would say army, Nigerian army and all that. Today, the case here, I don't want to analyze anything because many of you know already. This is a soldier running away. I don't want to say running away. He decided to distance himself from all the things going on. Like he said, he did not run away. He followed the due process. But because they want to also end him, they're insisting that the guy ran away from duty. And he said, no, he have every receipt, everything, all his document is intact. Anyway, let's listen to him because I don't want to debate it too long.
Now, he become a full headache to the nation. Una they lie to public. Una no go fit deceive me for inside this Nigeria where we dey so. One, you dey against me. Now you the same boys, they follow me now. Major General Hillary Isa. Now you, because that you want me to die for the system. That's why you no agree. Attend to my voluntary discharge. Because why? Una want make I buy for nothing. I no go fit buy for nothing. Then back to you, Major General EA Abubakar. Because I say I call you out for your non-command, for your incompetent, I call it incompetent command in Plateau State. Why you allow Fulani to the key soldier and the villager?
Yeah.
See the key soldier upon their service because of say
Did you hear that?
don't greet judge. You don't greet tell Fulani go. You people should leave their land.
Wow.
So that the people of Plateau State go get peace of mind. Then I call you out. You and General Izan una join hand together. CDS, because I say I call you out. Say what till you go do for Moscow. Whether not the problem of Nigeria to secure this nation and Moscow today, you instructed SVTJ to detract me, they find me waka. Why you face to give accommodation to soldier, then you the commission underground to detain soldier because of social media policy, and you fail to answer to the problem of a soldier. But when the soldier come outside, una go say the soldier don't violate social media policy. Let me tell you, now two law they guide us. If now they talk of social media policy, what happened? Then 1999 Constitution as amended, don't counter that one. Because you cannot be dismissing soldier because of social media policy. Because of say una the high secret, that's why una implement that law. So wait till you want to make it happen. So that una not go lose recruitment, so that nobody will call recruitment. That's why una implement that law. Una implement that law. That law was being implemented by former CDS 218. Because I say soldier, if video wait happen, the incident will happen. For inside location, how the death of soldier happened that day. So now begin come they implement. They use that social media policy. They dismiss soldiers unlawfully. Why they steal the money? They do dirty business for inside the army. Then you say make them find me, make them arrest me so that una go inject me small. Now lie. Then SVTJ. They say make you track me, you begin the appeal, they go give you what do we call it? They will give you Major General. After you don't arrest me, you begin the appeal, and you people fail. Then you are working with some soldier when they give the envelope of 30,000 ending of the month that they should track my phone. Then they get in connection with bloggers. So now they bring my account down. That one not go solve the problem. So Nigerians, I'm here to let you know if I lost today, those people I just mentioned, now the day after me, I see their message 3 days ago. They are threatening me. If they threaten me again, I go breathe them out. I just to let una know, if you not hear from me from now to the end, una not hear from me. Just know say I did their care. Just know say either I did for Sokoto, Zamfara, Lagos, Jos, Doma National State, and Abuja. I did there. Now them. Because on a normal ground, nobody fit come by me, nobody fit come arrest me. Don't be say I dey fear. I just let you know. I go ready for them. I know they run. Those are the bad people in the army. I dey fear now. Una they build underground, una they build prison for soldier, but una face to build accommodation for soldier. una fail to the release benefit of a soldier. You una disburse 90,000 for feeding money. Then why commanders? Why are they giving 15,000 out feeding allowance for soldiers? When soldier no get anything to hold on, only 123,000 for salary. Una see they cost their money. A place will be 45,000 for operation allowance. Una they give soldier 20. So where una want make soldier can go? Where una want make the country survive? All the whole benefit and glory when they come, when federal government they put for army, now they get everything. So why come be say feeding money, they see they eat them. I complain about feeding money, CDA not talk, but he go commission underground. He failed to build accommodation for soldiers in Abuja, but he get accommodation. They live in a luxurious house. If they live in a better accommodation, why soldier who is serving this nation, they don't get accommodation? Why soldier who is dying for this country, they don't get accommodation? Many soldiers when they die today, they don't get, they never sleep. Many of them never sleep for bed. More careful. Now mats, and they sleep inside the ray conscience till they are dead. So why is an officer who just came to the system yesterday is living where under 4 years can be able to do something? Why a soldier who don't join the war under 4 years, he cannot be able to get anything? Even mobile block, a soldier not fit do am for under 4 years in service. Even 10 years in service. Plenty soldier even 10 years in service. If you see any soldier when he get building, he get mobile block for under 10 years in service, just know that he get another small dirty work or dirty duty when they go unknowing to people. But a normal soldier when they do the work, na lie. In Meduguri, na the same thing. Because why in Meduguri, they chop the feeding allowance, they know they get them right. Then who they chop in feeding allowance, they cook nonsense give. You go use that operation allowance, go to buy food. Making chop for belle before you go die for small picking. Last line, you go still die for small picking. Chief of defense staff, chief of army staff, I call upon una. Soldier they die every day. What about the one when he die for Castina? 20-something soldier die in Castina day before yesterday. Una no answer. Una collect soldier for me. They no video this incident. Send for me. Una no say Agostino. What do you have to say about soldier accommodation? What do you have to say about the commanders when they sit down on top of feeding money for a soldier instead of 90 that they pay 15? Instead of 45,000 operation allowance, they go to pay 20,000. What do you have to say about that? Instead of you commissioning underground for soldier because of social media policy, can you stop that?
Well, how is this thing that this guy is saying? How is it? Why are they saying it as an offense, like as a crime? He actually cared for the life of his fellow soldiers. You see, the corruption is this corruption in Nigerian system, in security, Nigerian army and police is laughable, very laughable. And genuine people like this guy now, who come from Edo State, who's supposed to, be protected. If Nigeria is a country that actually want to work, this guy they should celebrate him for calling, for a betterment of his fellow soldiers. But today they are tracking him, looking for him to be sent to judgment. Very, very, very sad. As a youth, you devote your time thinking that you are fighting for your nation. Little did you know that you're actually signing your death warrant. What a shame. And I'm not going to give any advice to any Southerners who, Igbo, whether Igbo or Yoruba, that they want to serve. It's up to you, because many people have dish out advice. Do they listen? They don't listen. Because some people are actually meant to die in hands of terrorists. Like, it is your destiny. I'm not going to change it. So let us just listen to him.
There are soldiers, master, warrant officer in Abuja, private. They don't get accommodation. They don't get. What do you have to say about that? You people know what you are doing, because all those things they do now learn out from NDA. You CDS, when you go to United War College, US War College, what do you have to say about the benefits of soldier? I call upon you, they call on they find me. Why you people face to face Bello Tuji? Aleru is there. The leaders of ISWAP and Boko Haram, they are there. All the whole leaders of bandits in Nigeria terrorizing the country. The head of Fulani herdsmen who is killing people today. Una live and una come they face me. Una not track am. Because una know those.
Because you are a Southerner. Because you're a Southerner. And that's why I said all the if you are from southern part, because they will say, oh, this guy, you guys are bringing division in Nigeria. But you can hear him. This is a current Nigerian, he's a very, very young man. But he said to retire, to resign, because he can't stand this corruption. A dumb man, you know, very, very, very straightforward human being. You can see that. He knows who is responsible for this security. He said it here, ISWAP, Boko Haram Band, you know all the commanders, you know the sponsors, you know the financier. Yet you don't go after them. They don't go after them because they are brothers. They are the same group of people. That's what it is. And they're tracking him, looking for him to buy and all that. If you fought to keep Nigeria one, then you cannot even maintain the oneness. I don't get it. What exactly do you people want?
Terrorist leader. CDS, you know those terrorist leaders.
You know,
all of them know those terrorist leaders. That is why now they dismiss those soldiers when they talk through. That's why now they look for me. I know so una know those terrorist leaders. Una know Aleru, Bello Tuji, una know where in they. The leaders of Swiss went there for Borno State. Una know where they. The leaders of Boko Haram, you know where they. Una know one talk. I'm not going to talk about the chief of army staff, because if you talk now, they go see send and go where they send Alagbaja go. If you talk now, they go see send and go where they send Otahiru go. That's why I don't want to talk about the chief of army staff. I don't want the chief of army staff to die untimely, because even the chief of army staff know the dirty game. He know what is happening in the army. So now those one I know I made a brigade. That's why now they look for me. But Nigeria does not know. If I lost today, if anything happened to me today, now CDS. If anything happened to me today, now CDS. Now me and you and your pikin. Because why? You cannot enslave your pikin. You cannot do your pikin anything, but they do people children. Anyhow, you go to television, make a comment, but Nigeria go to say you be better person. They're not going to say zero. You don't talk for there. Your mind na stone. As your mind na stone, my own na stone. I know say una go still use the same other rank. Now the same other rank go see to empower una, so una not go fit come to me one by one, because una come to me one by one. One on one is allowed. Opa igbopa, na so it go be. Opa igbopa, na so it go be. Rest una not go, if you now say una one on one, all of them when I call una name out when they spoil this army, una no reach. But then so una go see use the same muje soldier. They go obey the law. Moko na won't go buy them. Go try them, dismiss them unlawfully as now they do. They go follow, but I not blame them. But what thing I want now, I want to ask you, CDS, why be say if soldier they cry for your benefit, na go reverse? Why be say soldier go to cry say they no get accommodation, na go reverse? Why? No accommodation for soldiers. So if you na so, make una stop recruitment. More na take care of the one who don't recruit. Since 1990 something to date, more na take care of themselves before any other recruitment. Why be say una? You know how they complain of those general, they call them out, major captain out. Una no go to investigate them. So una they happy. Una no one bring una own colleague out when they chop soldier benefit. Una just keep quiet. Una just say wait here they talk. Now like more na go 2 div 133 8 div more na go there. All the whole battalion when I call out div, when I call brigade, when I call, I'm gonna go there. Soldiers are suffering. If soldier talk, they go lost. How can you lose soldier for gathering for good 3 to 5 months?
All right, Mike, I'm gonna stop it here. Thank you so much for your time. I just want to share this with us because a lot is going on and the corruption continues. I pity those soldiers, those genuine people who actually believe that they are fighting for something reasonable and all that. It's very sad, very, very sad. Very, very, very sad. A vibrant youth wasting his time fighting in the midst of those that are vowed to buy you. Edo State is bleeding, Enugu State is bleeding, Plateau, name it, everywhere, even Yoruba land. if the whole thing is in shambles, it's because of singular, one single act like that, which is one tribe called Fulani. Because they are the one controlling, pressing these people, pum. Just that these guys still have his brain intact, but not as bright as I want it to be, though, because ordinarily you should be talking about how to turn back from this. You can't be in the midst of this group. Bringing this your genuineness and your sincerity in the camp of this Fulanis, you are wasting time. You're wasting your time. When I said Fulanis, it's not about Fulani alone. There are some Southerners that already, they have been contaminated with the same knowledge of feudal system, and these are also, once you group Fulanis, you have to add them as well. His concern is about his fellow soldiers, what they are going through, what they are passing through, which is also, if you are a human being, you should feel the same. But unfortunately, after knowing all those things, they will still say, tell you, Muje in your word, Muje come to the southeast, that people are holding Biafra flag, you begin to buy them. Muje, and very sad. And does it stop some Igbo youth, some Southerners youth, to still looking for form to go and train in Zaria? No, they're still doing the same thing. Anyway, tell me what you think about it, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you. See you.